This video from Sharp Help, we're going to give you a quick tutorial of how to process a sales transaction on a cash register. First thing, make sure the key lock or the mode button is set to the reg mode. So we've got the key in REG. Next thing is to check the display reads 0.00 or has finished the previous transaction. So the till's now ready for us to put in our sales transaction. You then type in the amount of money without pressing any decimal point buttons. Assign it to the relevant sales department. Repeat the process for each line of the transaction. When you've entered all the items, press the subtotal button. If the customer is paying by cash, type in the amount of money tendered and press the cash button here. Your drawer will then open, so you can issue the customer the change and the receipt if one's printed out while putting the money in the drawer. If they're paying by card, you'll have an alternative button to cash off the transaction. On this machine it's here. So again, the drawer fires, the receipt prints out, but obviously there's no change to be dispensed because you've processed the transaction separately on a credit card machine. Obviously there are differences from model to model, but that's the basics of putting a sales transaction through on a cash register. Variances from one machine to another might be that the machine has more buttons than this one, that you have preset sales product buttons, and in which case you literally just press those and they'll come up with the preset price and or the preset description depending on the model number. How you get from one mode to another might vary. Some machines will have a button that gets you to move from one mode to another, but on the old-fashioned tills it's done by a key lock, and that remains quite popular on cash registers today. So we've got plenty of other videos giving you the basics of how to use cash registers, some of which will be appearing now, so you can check those out. If you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll also see that we do programming videos specifically on the Sharp cash registers, and there's plenty of videos of each of the current models showing you how to program a receipt header, how to change a product price, and other videos on how to get reports out of the machine. So you're welcome to check those out. Subscribe to the channel. For full information you can visit sharphelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.